Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to make procedural mountains in Blender. Let's get started. First, go to the Edit menu, Preferences, click on the Add-ons tab, search for the A.N.T Landscape Addon, and enable it. Press Shift-A and add a landscape. Open up the bottom left panel, select Mountain 1 from the preset menu. If you change the random seed value, you can have different mountain shapes. Alright, it's time to add material. Switch the timeline editor to the shader editor. Click the new button to add a material. Rename the material as a mountain. On the 3D viewport, press Z key to switch to the Render Preview mode. Click the Render Properties tab and ensure that Cycles is Active Render Engine. Set the maximum samples value to 32 for the viewport and 128 for the render. For lighting, go to the World Properties tab, click the Color node, Environment Texture, and open any HDRI image. Set the strength value to 2. Alright, go to the shader editor, press Shift-A, and add a noise texture. With the noise texture selected, press Ctrl-T to add texture coordinates and mapping nodes. If it doesn't work, go to the Preferences and enable the Node Wrangler add-on. Change the texture coordinate type to the object. Add a color ramp node. Plug the color node into the factor node. Plug the color node into the base color node. Select the black color stop and slide it to the right side. Select the white color stop and slide it to the left side. If you increase the scale value, you can have smaller black parts. Let's set the scale value to 4. Select the noise texture and color ramp nodes. Press Shift-D to duplicate. Plug the vector node into the vector node of the noise texture. If you only want to view the second noise texture, go over the color ramp node and press Shift-Control left-click. Set the scale value to 50. Set the detail value to 10. Alright, what we're going to do is to mix both textures and plug it into the principled shader. To do that, add a Mix Color node. Plug the first texture into the A socket and plug the second texture into the B socket. Connect the principled shader to the material output. If you set the factor value to 0, it will be 100% the first texture. If it is set to up to 1, will be 100% the second texture. We want to mix both textures, so set the factor value to 0.1. Add another color ramp to control the color of the mountain. You can add black and dark brownish colors for the mountain surface. Alright, let's make the mountain surface bumpy. To do that, add a bump node. Plug the result node into the height node and the normal to normal node. That's it. We can decrease the factor value just a little bit. We can also increase the roughness value just a little bit. It's time to get rendered. Add a camera. Press Ctrl-Alt-Numpad 0 to align the camera to view. Press N key to open the right panel. Click the View tab and lock the camera to view, so you can adjust the view from the camera perspective. Press F12 to render the image. That's it. Thanks for watching. See you in the next tutorial.